Hey Diane, so compressor electronics technology is being rolled out across all of Copeland's major product platforms on compressors, condensing units. Why is that? What's important about compressor electronics?
Great question. The compressor electronics allow us to have connectivity with the systems and the compressors, which historically hasn't happened in the past. And this is important because the systems are becoming more and more complex in this world that we live in. And we also have challenges with the labor force. So the connectivity allows us to have the compressor act as a sensor for the contractors.
What do you mean by that? So it acts as a sensor. What kind of information can we get from that?
All kinds of information. We can get current, we can get voltages, we can get discharge temperatures, a lot of things that allow us to diagnose and look at the compressor, and also gives us a little bit of a window into the system itself as well.
We have some examples of a couple of modules here. Could you talk about a little bit about each of these and what they are and where you might find them?
So the black module is a compressor electronics we use on our semi-hermetic discus lineup. It's used anywhere from the 2D to the 6D horsepower range compressors. It provides motor and oil protection on the compressors, and it comes factory direct. The gray module, is used on our scroll compressors, and it actually has even more function. It provides things like reverse rotation, voltages, currents, but it also gives us liquid injection and digital modulation capability as well.
Oh, okay. And you were saying before that for the purposes of diagnosing system or compressor issues, these are really valuable for an HVACR technician in the field, right?
Absolutely. The connectivity allows us to message out what the error codes are and help them troubleshoot and diagnose their systems.
And for those technicians, they can get more information about what's happening with the electronics module in a couple of different ways, right? So one, I know you can use the HVACR Fault Finder app, tell it which module you're working with, which flashes of light you're seeing and how many times, and it will tell you what the error code is and give you some general troubleshooting information.
That's one method to troubleshoot. Another method is we have a free PC interface software download at the website. You can hook up to the modules and get information off of the modules using an RS-485 cable. And the third way is if you're on a E2 system controller, this information is also sent up and can be viewed through the screens on the E2.
For more information about compressor electronics, visit copeland.com/compressor electronics.